Hello, my dear Taurus friends. This is Srividya, and I'll be doing your weekly love and relationship reading. Alongside, I'll be doing your angel card reading and extension card reading also at the end of this reading. So, whosoever is interested can look what your extension card is speaking about. Your extension card basically means those who are interested in spiritual awakening and some life after life experience. There are other dimensions also that most of us don't know, but that exists. So we'll be doing this card also. I have added this because some of my friends are really in their spiritual awakening mode, so I also love this. So we'll be doing this at your end of the reading. Right now we'll start with your angel card reading, and before moving into this reading, I want to say that when I was meditating on your on the energies of the Taurus, what the energies that I have got is someone is like preparing for marriage or some childbirth, and maybe this could show in our reading. Let's see what our cards tell us about you. Love, both involve love, so you are totally in love. You are currently in the lovely beautiful scenario. And other card is speak from the heart. This card, whenever this card comes, it means you're not speaking from your heart, so please speak from your heart. You are keeping your emotions inside yourself. And compassion, these three cards, whatever I am getting from this card is that you are totally, Archangel Raphael is also here. So this means you need some healing, you need some hug, or someone in your surrounding needs a hug. Like here the compassion card has come, a hug of love, and let that person speak from her heart. That person is not speaking, not expressing her emotions, his emotions, and that person requires love from you, or you could be the person who require love and compassion from others to speak from your heart. Call Archangel Raphael also, he will help you, because he is actually, when he helps in travel and in your sickness. So this is also could be some emotional turmoil that you might be going through, or some unrequited love, or some deep emotions that you are not able to express to others. So call him, he'll be of great help. Now cards are already shuffled, we'll be getting on with your reading. So let's begin. Let's cut our cards and let's begin our reading. What you are going through, my dear Taurus. Let's give me a card. What they are going through. You are going through clarity. This is not non-juggling card, and you are not taking any advice from anyone. It means like you are clearly determined, and you are not being very emotional. So you are fixated on something. Let's get your foundation card. A foundation card for Taurus, please. A foundation card for Taurus, please. A foundation card for Taurus, please. Foundation card. Love is reversed. See, love is here, lovers are here. It means that there has been some breakup, or you are totally into mode of self-love. Okay, deceit card is also here. So someone, it might be that you have been deceived by someone you loved. What is the past energy? Please show me the past energy. You were waiting for someone to come in the past. And your overall, and the foundation energy basically shows what your soul wants to express to you, what on which topic you should pay more attention. So whatever I am getting is that you should pay more attention to taking care of yourself, loving yourself. You are like not, although you are right now very clear in your mind, and you're not taking decision from others, you're not like a team player kind of. It's a very beautiful card. The crowning energy is the wish fulfillment. Your wishes will be fulfilled, Taurus. Your wishes will be fulfilled. Future card, please. Future card. impressed. My god, these are beautiful cards that has come, and it's really, this reading is really awesome. What as of now, whatever I am getting, although you are totally in mode of self love, and there is no, I think there is no other party right now, that is currently you're not dealing with any other party. Very clear. It could be, they could. This is a general reading, so please take what resonates with you. Now we'll come with for explanation for these cards. Please clarify why Two of Pentacles are in reversed. And Gemini card is here. You have all together all cards, all signs are here. You have earth sign, you have got a water sign. Okay, let's see why Two of Pentacles is here. You are like a wounded warrior, and your war has taught you. See, the Lovers is also reversed, means you're totally into yourself. There is no one, no other person in your life right now, because that person ditched you. It could have been a scenario, and you are like a very wounded warrior, and you have learned a lot from this, and that's why you are very clear in your mind what you really want. Okay, why Three of Pentacles is reversed? Ten of Wands. See, Nine of Wands and Ten of Wands. Wands is a fire energy. It is basically Aries, Leo, Sag. Aries, Leo, so you could be dealing with Aries, Leo, Sag as well. So Wands, you are like, you have been carrying lots of want, lots of burden on yourself, and you could have been cheated, deceived. You could have been made a target of making bully of or something, criticism, and that has torn you down from inside. You have been carrying those burdens, you have been carrying responsibility of other as well, but now you are like giving it up. You are like, now, even though I have been carrying those burden on myself, but now I have gained some wisdom from it, and I have some clarity over it, and that's why your soul is telling you to take care of yourself first. Right now, you are supposed to take care of yourself. Please clarify Lovers reverse. Please clarify why Lovers is reversed. One card, please. Please clarify why Lovers is reversed. Please. Oh my God, so many cards. I am not going to take these cards. One card, please. Why Lovers is reversed? Seven of Pentacles. Because now the time has come, and Justice is also here. Now the time has come for yourself to fully concentrate over yourself only, and reap the benefit of the good work that you have taken in the past. Because what I am sensing is that you have been putting all your energies onto other people, and the relationship in which you were involved in, and those relationships were not giving you anything, not even a proper trust or balancing the give and take. Nothing. They were just taking, and at the end of it, some of those relationships deceived you also, and still you have the hard work, the benefits of the hard work pending for you to take it. Means you have so much treasure that you could get. These all came from the hard work that you have put in the past. So when you start loving yourself, when you start taking care of yourself, you will just these kind of, the feeling that I am getting is that, like, you will become more you will become more beautiful, you will become more charismatic, you will become a magnet to other person also. But that doesn't mean you are doing it intentionally. It's just to take care of yourself. You'll be rewarded. Past energy, please clarify past energy. Page of Cup. You are waiting for some person to come. You were actually very passionately involved with that person, but that person was also had so much passion for you, but he was not able to offer his cup of love, because he must be juggling you with someone else. This could also be scenario. Why Nine of Cups is here? 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 Three of Swords. Oh my God, you have been hurt. You have been brutally hurt. You have been brutally hurt. But justice will be there, because justice card is coming again and again, and your wishes will be fulfilled. If you are wishing for the justice to be served to you, for the wrong that has been done to you be resolved, it will be. And it will come into fruition in recent future only. This is a crowning energy that I really feel that this is this is something that is just about to happen. So this will happen. You'll get justice and you'll be very happy with it. Why the Empress is here? Okay, Wheel of Fortune. I told you na I saw some pregnancy or marriage thing in my vision. So there could be something in your future. The future is very good. You have a Wheel of Fortune. Wheel of Fortune is something like now the universe is also supporting you. An Empress is like the person who is totally fully abundant, who has everything, whatever you have hoped for. Your wishes are fulfilled, and then you might even get there could be a new love, or something new is coming in the future, and you'll be it could be this doesn't mean that the other person will come, but it also signifies that you will become a very different person from the one you were in the past. You are giving, you are nurturing, you're abundant in your in yourself. In the future you will be totally abundant. Okay, and I would like to know about the personality of other person that you were involved in, and what that person is thinking about you as of now. Show me the personality of other person that the Taurus was involved in. Show me the personality of the other person the Taurus was in. Justice is coming again and again. You will be, the justice will be served, and you will be happy with it. Wishes will be fulfilled. Okay. That person must have, and the end of the deck it is the Hierophant reverse. It means that this person either was not offering you some commitment, or was in third party relationship, or if that person was in third party relationship, it is going to break. Two of Cups is reversed. This person is also will be if this person cheated to you, the life of this person is just going to vanish in front of him. Everything will be turned upside down, because Wheel of Fortune is here. You have the Wheel of Fortune. Universe is supporting you. Please show me what that other person feels is hiding from Taurus. What that other person is hiding from Taurus. What that person is hiding from Taurus. That person is, this is 2 card now. I'll be taking 1 card only. What that person is hiding from Taurus. Knight of Swords. He is very angry with you. He is really very angry with you. Why? Because he is scared of the justice that will be served to him, and the judgment will be on your side. Actually, he is very scared from inside, and he is very angry at you. That why did you do this all is happening because you have done that. So, and earlier you were taking the blame on yourself, but now you must have detached from this person. This could be a scenario. You better know what is happening with you, but that's for sure that person is afraid of the justice that will be served, and also he is angry because you're not there for him right now, and you will be like Empress. You'll be you was a blessing for this person, whosoever was it. Can you give me one more card about the personality of the person? 9 of Cups. See, 9 of Cups is here. 9 of Cups is also here. This you were his wish fulfillment, but he might have juggled in the past, and then the situations turned upside down. You were hurt. There could be third party situation also. You could have taken step back, and now you are concentrating on yourself. Earlier you were waiting for him to come, but he didn't come. He didn't show up. Now everything is going to be in your favor, Taurus. Believe me, because universe is supporting you, and your wishes will be fulfilled. You just have to love yourself. Speak with whomsoever you are very much connecting with. Speak with that person, and also be compassionate with yourself. You must be blaming yourself a lot. Don't do that. because this will only harm you, because you just rest assured that future is very good for you, and for the other person it's going to be very bad. Okay, now we'll be doing some extension card reading that I told you in the starting. This is totally related to spiritual aspect, so whosoever is not in a very much spiritual mode could opt out. This is for spiritually focused people. So let's see what the card is coming for. Taurus, please give me what the Taurus needs to focus on. Please give me a card. Please give me a card. Please give me a card. What the Taurus needs to focus on. What is there in store for them? What is there in store for them? This card is really huge. It's very, very difficult for me to shuffle it. Please give me a card. The angels, please give me a card. Okay, we have got Lemurian healing. Oh, good. Lemurians were an ancient tribe. So, if you know about something, I am telling you. Lemurians were fifth dimensional androgynous being who loved and wanted to heal Earth. They drew the love of God through the cosmic heart into this planet. Lemurians gathered the divine qualities from our energy field and that of other stars, adding this to pure source light in order to form healing crystals to help us through the transformation of the new golden age. The Lemurians, they placed these healing crystals in the earth to light up the ley lines. Even now, when two or more gather with humility to focus these crystals, power healing takes place. So affirmation is I send Lemurian healing to earth. Okay, this could also show that you are a sort of healer person, because love, when a person is emotional, when the person know what true love is, the healing itself begins. So your mere presence is itself sufficient to give some other person a healing energy. That's why this card has come. Heal yourself and heal other also who is surrounding you, because they also need your help. You have very, very good personality. You are an empress, totally abundant. You could heal. So please be in some healing mode, loving mode, and take care of yourself. Please like and subscribe if you like. This is Sri Vidya signing off. Bye.